Hello guys, hope you're doing good. So today I'm gonna show you how you can turn off the irritating Windows 10 sound whenever you try to like volume up and down, so you hear some kind of irritating sound, a beep sound or whatever. So to be honest, it is very irritating for me. So I'm gonna show you how you can simply do this. Just right click on this speaker icon onto the bottom left, and you will see sounds option. Click on it and it will give you a pop-up window. Make sure you are into the sounds tab, and from here in the program events, search for default beep, and once you click it, it will be selected. So now from this drop down, just scroll up all the way to the top and select none. So now there's no more beeps, the life is relaxed. Click apply, OK, and now whenever you increase or decrease sound, there is no irritating beep sound or whatever. So hope this video helps you, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more these kind of helping videos. Thank you, take care, bye.